Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
This is the ideal. To become servant and to become maid servant. This is the ideal of human civilization. Every woman should try to become maid servant of her husband. And every man try to become the 100 times servant of Vishnu. This is Indian civilization. Not that husband and wife, we are equal rights. That in Europe, America, the movement is going on, equal rights. That is not Vedic civilization. Vedic civilization is the husband should be a sincere servant of Krishna and the wife should be a sincere maid servant of the husband. Therefore here it is said, Upanaya Mag Nijabhikta Parsam. This is the best essence. When Narad Muni is describing how the man should behave, how the woman should behave, we are discussing now in our tape dictaphone. You'll hear that there is no such thing to become master. It is useless. You cannot become master. Ahankara vimuratma kattaham iti mannate. You cannot become master. Jive Swarupa Nitya Krishna Das. Either man or woman, everyone is servant of Krishna. We have to be trained now in that platform how to become the best servant. Not only servant directly, but servants of the servant. This is called parampara servant. My spiritual master is the servant of his spiritual master, and I am also my spiritual master. Similarly, we think servant of, no question of become. This is material disease. Krishna bhuliya jeev bhoga vancha kare, pasete maya tare japotiya dhare. As soon as we become papta, now I shall become master. I shall be simply giving order. I shall not follow anyone. That is Maya. So that disease is going on, beginning from Brahma down to the end. Prahlad Maharaj has understood this so-called false, prestigious position of becoming a master. He says that I am quite aware of this false thing. Kindly engage me, Nijabhikta Parsam. Nijabhikta Parsam means just like apprentice. Apprentice. One apprentice is engaged to some expert man. By and by, the apprentice learns how to do the thing. Therefore he says, Nijabhikta Parsam. Not that immediately I become very expert servant. But let me, our this institution is for that purpose. If somebody comes here, the free hotel and free sleeping accommodation, then he coming to this association is useless. He must learn how to serve. Nijabhikta Parsam. Those who are serving, one should learn from him how he is serving 24 hours. Then our joining this institution will be successful. And if we take it that here is an institution where we can have free hotel, free living, and free sense gratification, then the whole institution will be spoiled. Be careful. All the GBCs, they should be careful that this mentality may not increase. Everyone should be very eager to serve. to learn how to serve Nija Bhikta Parsa, then life will be successful. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.